Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on wheelchair access on the Lyft app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and make sure that the car you get has wheelchair access. How do you actually go ahead and turn that on? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Lyft app. Next, click on New on the bottom right hand corner. Then afterwards, go ahead and scroll down and then click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, go ahead and toggle on Wheelchair Access, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on wheelchair access on the Lyft app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.